नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ। आज आम शिखा डिड यूज। डिड सब बेले पास्ट ऑफ डू एंड डज। डिड सब बेले आई वी यू दे ही सी इट सब्जेक्ट रे यूज करा जाए। यदि आम कहबा मु मोर पाठ कली एहाकु आम इंग्लिश रे कहबा आई डिड माय होमवर्क। आई डिड माय होमवर्क। से बहुत भल काम कले। सी डिड ए ग्रेट जॉब। सी डिड ए ग्रेट जॉब कहि थांती। से तांकर सर्वश्रेष्ठ चेष्टा कले। ही डिड हिज बेस्ट। ही डिड हिज बेस्ट कहा जाए इंग्लिश रे। से माने बासन माजिले एहाकु हम इंग्लिश रे कहबा दे डिड द डिशेस। दे डिड द डिशेस कहि थांती। मु तुमको कहिथेली आई डिड टेल यू। आई डिड टेल यू कहा जाए। आमे सब किछि कलु एहाकु हम इंग्लिश रे कहबा वी डिड एवरीथिंग। वी डिड एवरीथिंग कहि थांती। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାଲି ଦେଖିଥିଲି। I did see him yesterday. I did see him yesterday. ଗତକାଲି ରାତିରେ ବର୍ଷା ହୋଇଥିଲା। It did rain last night. It did rain last night. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ଦେଇଥିଲ। You did promise me. We did promise me. ସେ କାମଟି ଶେଷ କରିଥିଲା। He did finish the task. He did finish the task. ଆମେ ପାର୍ଟି ଉପଭୋଗ କରିଥିଲୁ। We did enjoy the party. We did enjoy the party କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲେ। They did help us. They did help us କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲା। She did pass the exam. She did pass the exam. ମୁଁ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଥିଲି। I did lock the door. I did lock the door କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ବିଲେଇ କ୍ଷୀର ପିଇଥିଲା। The cat did drink the milk. The cat did drink the milk. ଆମେ ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିଲୁ। We did arrive on time. We did arrive on time. Did plus not didn't ଆଉ didn't କୁ ୟୁଜ କରିକି ଆମେ କିଛିଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଶିଖିବା। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ didn't ର ୟୁଜ କରି କିଛି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ବନାଇବା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ମୁଁ ଗଲି ନାହିଁ ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା I didn't go. I didn't go କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେ ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ। She did not come. She did not come କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେମାନେ ଖେଳିଲେ ନାହିଁ। They did not play. They did not play କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲୁ ନାହିଁ। We did not see him. We did not see him କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ସେ ମୋତେ କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ। He did not tell me. He did not tell me କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ତୁମେ ଫୋନ କଲ ନାହିଁ। You did not call. You did not call କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ବର୍ଷା ହେଲା ନାହିଁ। It did not rain. It did not rain କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ବସ୍ ଅଟକିଲା ନାହିଁ। The bus did not stop. The bus did not stop କୁହାଯାଏ। ମୋତେ ଭଲ ନିଦ ହେଲା ନାହିଁ। I did not sleep well. I did not sleep well. ସେ ତାଙ୍କ କାମ ସରିଲା ନାହିଁ। She did not finish her work. She did not finish her work. ତୁମେ ଖାଇଲ କି? Did you eat? Did you eat କୁହାଯାଏ। ସେ ଲେଖିଲେ କି? Did he write? Did he write କୁହାଯାଏ। ସେମାନେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ କି? Did they arrive? Did they arrive କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏହା କାମ କଲା କି? Did it work? Did it work କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ତୁମେ ବୁଝିଲ କି? Did you understand? Did you understand? ସେ ତୁମକୁ ଫୋନ କଲେ କି? Did she call you? Did she call you କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଜିତିଲୁ କି? Did we win? Did we win କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ତୁମେ ସେହି ଚଳଚ୍ଚିତ୍ର ଦେଖିଲ କି? Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? ସେମାନେ କାର କିଣିଲେ କି? Did they buy the car? Did they buy the car? ସେ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲେ କି? Did he help you? Did he help you? ତୁମେ କଣ କହିଲ? What did you say? What did you say? ସେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲେ? Where did he go? Where did he go କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେମାନେ କେତେବେଳେ ବାହାରିଲେ? When did they leave? When did they leave? ସେ କାହିଁକି ହସିଲେ? Why did she laugh? Why did she laugh? कहिथांते। तुमे यह किपरि कल? हाउ डिड यू डू इट? हाउ डिड यू डू इट? तुमे कौन खाइल? व्हाट डिड यू ईट? व्हाट डिड यू ईट? कहा जाए। तुमे काहेकि मिछ कहिल? व्हाई डिड यू लाई? व्हाई डिड यू लाई? तुमे केउठी रहिल? व्हेयर डिड यू स्टे? व्हेयर डिड यू स्टे कहा जाए इंग्लिश रे। यह किपरि हिला? हाउ डिड इट हैपन? हाउ डिड इट हैपन? कहिथांते। यह केबे आरंभ हैला? व्हेन डिड इट स्टार्ट? व्हेन डिड इट स्टार्ट या व्हेन डिड इट स्टार्ट